Domino's pizza franchisee Corey McKanna asked Bulldog Mobile Billboards to help celebrate their Lewisville, Texas manager Erick Lira, who won the Domino's 2021 U.S. Manager of the Year award. We used one of our LED or digital advertising trucks to surprise Erick along with Corey and 30 others from the Domino's organization that arrived via police escort to announce the award. Erick will be awarded with a cash prize and a trophy at a ceremony in Las Vegas during Domino's worldwide rally, along with the recognition of being the outstanding manager of more than 6,500 store managers nationwide. His stores consistently earns high-quality assurance marks and has endured a challenged couple of years in the restaurant industry. Corey said that the key to Erick's success is striving to maintain a team that is well-trained, embraces technology, takes care of every customer, and focuses on having more fun and selling more pizzas. The staff is proud of Mr. Lira. Corey McKanna is proud of Mr. Lira. Domino's is proud of Mr. Lira. Lewisville, Texas is proud of Mr. Lira. And most importantly, Erick's family is proud of him. Many thanks to Will and Scott for helping out with the truck logistics. If you want to celebrate someone you are proud of, give Rod Collins a call at 214-724-2729 to arrange for your LED truck. You will be glad you did.